What's going on, you guys? Raymond again over here at Signature Performance Tire and Wheel. Truck right behind me is Sergio's truck. Drove all the way from beautiful Santa Barbara. Saw our videos, of course. He wanted us to do the same to his truck personally. He stressed that he really was trying to go for that same look with the 4-inch kit, the bigger tires on there. The one thing that kind of makes this build a little bit more special, though, is the fact that he already has the wheels to do it. So it was very easy to transition to a type of setup that he was already after. How we achieved Sergio's 4-inch lift over here, wanted to get it spec'd out to where he wanted it to be. So if we look underneath here, we actually painted those CV axles all black instead of those guys being kept rusted. That's kind of the one thing we like to stress upon here. And this is a true 4-inch kit, you guys, 4-inch travel. As you can see here with the cross members, keeping those ball joints flat and as well as those CV angles flat. That's ultimately what we like to achieve here to make sure this customer can have true drivability and true 4-inch of droop travel at the end of the day. And of course, on top here, we got the McGaughys upper control arms. Did the billet ball joint caps as well to take it a little step further and dress it up pretty nicely. We do these upper control arms to maximize your droop travel whenever you do these kits. The factory Multimatic shocks are still in place here as well. Customer was looking for the best tire to outfit this truck. Of course, we had to go with our #1 selling tire here at our store, the Nitto Ridge Grappler. Outfit of 37 12.5 R18. Customer was really looking for something that was perfect amount of ruggedness to it, and as well as drivability and braking capabilities. And where the way to go would be a Nitto Ridge Grappler. We end up wrapping these Nitto Ridge Grapplers on our customer's factory GMC Salto wheels. From GMC spec'd out on these wheels, they're 18x9 with a plus 32 offset. If we would have kept these wheels on the truck with this current lift, then these wheels would be rubbing essentially on the tie rods, which we don't want. So what we end up doing to help eliminate that was to bring them out. We brought them out about a ½ an inch. And to make a step further, we even also ordered some aftermarket lug nuts, which they're the extended threads, to make sure that he gets the full 6 to 8 turns to thread them in. So with this current setup, 18x9 with a plus 19 offset now, and now it's gonna allow the customer for full drivability, full clearance, and it's correctly spec'd out where you need it to be. And then of course for the rear on this guy, we ended up just doing the 1 3/4 inch blocks with the longer U-bolts, and it still retained the factory Multimatic rear shocks, so without any issues. So Sergio is gonna be picking up his truck shortly here. Excited to get his reaction after what we did to it. So if you're looking for a build like this, if you're in the area, you're out of state, you're up north, just like Sergio, come give us a shout over here. My name is Raymond, Signature Performance Tire and Wheel. You can check us out on Instagram, YouTube, and looking forward to hearing back from you.